Ang gagawin mo na lang as investor, iintay mong pumasok yung dividends. Another example sa stock market, hindi dyan puro passive. Meron din tayong mga tinatawag na traders. Sila yung mga naghahanap ng opportunity to buy low and then to sell high. Actively trading sila. Binabantayan nila yung news and economy, tapos tinitingnan din nila yung market sentiment. Inaaral nila yung mga charts para malaman nila kung ano yung dapat gawin. Ngayon, on the other hand, meron naman din gusto ng passive income. Baga parang style ni Tito Warren. Ang kailangan lang dito, alamin natin yung company pinagpapasukan natin. Dapat aralin mo yung fundamentals, sino yung mga tao behind the company, and then ano yung roadmap nila. We invest in the company that we believe in, tapos we put our money there for a very long time. Kumbaga, wait patiently tayo dito. Tapos kung may dividends, meron tayong makukuha every once in a while.
Lola, thank you for sunshine.
Naintindihan mo na, merong active at passive investments. Huwag mong kakalimutan yan ha.
Copy that.
O sige, susunod na tayo. Risk.